Hi and good day everyone. Welcome to Halsey How To channel, where I share real project experiences for better skills that will lead to higher pay career. Today, I would like to share with you single and parallel pumping system. There are many types of pumping arrangement in the water industry. Most of them involve single or parallel operating system. In very rare cases the pumping system is in series arrangement. I guess most of you should know what the single pump operation is. But do you know or understand what is the parallel pumping arrangement? Why we need it? And what are the areas that need your attention? In today's session, I will show you the following. How the single and parallel pumping arrangement looks like. Example of industry single and parallel pumping arrangement. The reasons and benefits of single and parallel pumping system, area of concerns, and the industrial recommendation and practices. Follow this video till the end and you should learn when do you need a single or parallel pump arrangement and the common errors made by a poorly designed system. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Let's go straight away to today's topic. A single pumping arrangement consists of only one pump operation. The schematic of the pumping system is as shown. Single pumping system can also consist of two pumps, that is one duty and one standby pump arrangement. However, only one pump will run at a time and the other pump will not be running simultaneously. When we talk about parallel pumping operation, we are referring to two or more pumps are running together at the same time. This can be illustrated in the schematic diagram shown. Standby pump can be added in parallel operation as well. In the water industry, single pump operation are those applications where require low flow capacity, non-critical, temporary pumping system. The examples of the single pump operations are the residential or domestic water pumping, drainage sump pump, irrigation system, small sewage pump station, etc. For parallel pumps operation, it consists of two or more pumps operate at the same time. In the industry, the parallel pumping operation are those critical system couldn't afford any downtime, permanent installations, required low and high flow demand ranges. The benefits of having parallel pumping system are their flexibility and reliability, and it also allowing operation of a lower flow demand but covering a wide range of flow. The examples of the parallel operation are citywide potable water supply pumping system, cooling water system, sewage transfer pumping system, city stormwater and underground water draining system. What is the common area of errors when selecting a single or parallel pumping system? For a single pumping operation, it is a much simple and straightforward. The common error is, you should ensure that the pumping system required only a constant flow. Normally this type of pumping is a fixed flow system unless a variable speed drive is installed. However, for parallel pumping system, it is more complicated, and the following shall be taken care. Firstly, the total pump's capacity is not necessarily double the flow in a parallel pumping system. For example, two 100-liter per second pumps will not deliver 200-liter per second when they are operating in parallel. This is due to the nature of system characteristic curve as shown in the curves. The total flow is much lower than 200-liter per second. Secondly, the second common error is the use of similar pump performance curves. The similar pump performance curve of two running parallel pumps will ensure that there is no conflict in pressure. If they are not identical, the higher pressure pump will inhibit the lower pressure pump to deliver its flow. This will cause damages to the lower pressure pump as it will be running with low flow or no flow at all. Finally, the last common error that I wanted to show you is the importance to check the one pump operation while designing the parallel operation. While the parallel pump's operation intersecting the system characteristic curve, the one pump full performance curve may or may not necessarily intersect it. Always check and ensure that the one pump operation is intersect with the system characteristic curve. If this is not happening, the one pump operation will run off the pump performance curves and cause damages to the pump and motor. I hope you've learned the difference and their benefits between a single and a parallel pumping system and their common errors in today's video. Please subscribe and like my channel. Thanks for watching.